Hi guys! Today Maria and I are off to visit a restaurant that a friend of ours from Pardes told us about. Jonathan and Reyes Margos told us about mom's recipes in Pilar. And he said that the food there is just like home, like your Avo made it. So we are very excited to go and try it out. Today we're going to have something different from the usual fish thali. We're looking forward to great Saraswat food.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back. Glad to be going to a place where home tasting food is, and I'm very hungry.
What are you looking forward to eating today, Maria?
Today I'm going to have cheese rolls.
Mom's Recipes is located ahead of Pilar Seminary and Father Agnel College on the Neura Road in Pilar in Goa Velia in central Goa. We are coming from the Margao side, so are heading to Pilar via Agasai. That's the Pilar crossing ahead. The left is the road coming from Panjim. Turn right at the crossing and continue straight past Father Agnel College towards Neura and Old Goa. One kilometer down this road is Mom's Recipes. It's very easy to spot and there is parking right in front of the restaurant. Yum, mackerel cutlets I'll have. Definitely. Mom's Recipes has this outdoor seating also for fair weather days. This restaurant has given a lot of thought to its decor and the traditional Goan touch can be seen from the start. Wow, see? Beautiful, no? Wow. We really like the traditional Goan windows and paintings. But that's not all. They've even created a traditional old Goan style posro complete with bananas, eggs, and Goa's favorite daily breads. This showcase of sweets reminded us of our childhood days. The postro is a display beyond which is a professional restaurant kitchen. Now you know the Konkani word for kitchen, Ranchi Kur. A very elegant space celebrating Goan art from Azulejo tiles to traditional Goan windows. Nice place, no? Come, let's check out Mom's Recipes menu now. Seems a mix of Goan and regional Indian dishes. Oh wow, this is all our favorite food. Istirio Dabdabit sounds nice, no? Cutlets also look good. All very nice, but some other time. First time always Goan. Same sentiments. Ah, lovely Goan desserts. We also spotted some Goan Feni and Orak-based drinks. I love to George Tamro and Orak.
Okay.
What are you having to drink?
I'm having Kingfisher Ultra.
She loves Kingfisher Ultra, and I'll have this to George Tamro with Orak and ice. And food order you will take?
Yeah, thali you get, thali, starter.
Yeah, I know, but we want something different. So we want prawn pulao.
This is today special, you can try.
We saw the menu.
Crunchy chicken, oyster sauce.
We saw things on the menu what we want. We don't want Chinese and all. We want prawn pulao.
Yeah, prawns pulao.
We want
Cilantro prawns pulao, you can try.
we want tisrio dabdabit.
This is sukha.
Okay. Tisrio sukha
This is sukha.
and bangra cutlet.
Mackerel cutlets.
Yeah. And
Chicken with
chicken vindaloo.
Chicken vindaloo.
Yeah.
And one Kingfisher Ultra, Tujo Tamro, Orak base with ice.
But the place is also big.
Yeah. Huge it is. Yeah.
Yeah. Inside it, plus outside it.
Must be really nice at night, no?
Yeah, outside.
Seems a very well-known and popular place. I'm surprised I'm not out of it. And all Goans are eating here, huh?
Yeah.
We went back to see the professional kitchen just when 2 Goan thalis were being prepared. It was a chonak thali and Goan veg thali. Beautiful presentation. We'll come back and try these rice plates sometime. This is my kokum and Orak cocktail called Tujoj Tamro. Kokum juice always looks refreshing. Fantastic. Very nice.
How to have tasted it?
Oh, want to take a sip? Take a sip.
Pura this is nice. Like how we make.
Now rain is going to start. Orak season is almost over. Not yet, but soon. Such an amazing place. How come we never knew about this place till Jonathan told us, man?
Yeah, see what the place is. I don't know the painting one I did, the Karangali one.
Which Karanzali one? That is different from no. This is mom's recipe. That is mom's kitchen. They are simple.
Oh, they're different.
First to arrive are my mackerel cutlets, which I just love. That's 6 big ones in the portion. Next is the cilantro prawn pulao, which is green with flecks of kotmir. Oh wow, our favorite. And finally, chicken vindaloo. And now we just have to eat all this tempting food. The mackerel cutlets were crisp and awesome. And Maria gave thumbs up to the prawn pulao.
Very nice.
Yeah. Firstly, I love to see any tisri was covered in coconut like this. Oh, big tisri was, right? Initial taste only is very nice. I love this prawn pulao with small prawns. Yeah. Really lovely small prawns.
Very tasty, no?
Tisri, please cool down. I want to eat you. I'll give you chicken. In Vindaloo, everything is in the taste of the masala, and the masala is beautiful.
Did you taste the coffee?
So hot, no?
Very tasty. So good, no?
Super. Wow. Wow, this place is not just mom's recipes but grandmom's recipes. It's too good. Wow. Thank you, Jonathan. We're having a lovely lunch because of you. Thank you. Fantastic. I think Vindaloo is also good and Sukha is also good and Cutlet is also good and Pulao is also good.
Pulao also good. Something different, I don't know.
Yeah. Green from Putney.
How is the cutlet?
Fantastic. Cutlet's absolutely fantastic. I had very tasty mackerel cutlet from that Avo's kitchen in Asagaon. It is better. And those are very good. Only thing is there's a lot of masala in the sukha. Evelyn and Ravi will really love this place. Jaya will also like veg, go in veg thali and very nice in Lufna.
It's tasty. I'm going
We going to enjoy this dangar for dinner also. This too will finish. 2-3 are ready in food. I had very tasty. Where are the offices? We share and cook. We share tender coconut pudding.
Yeah, which I have ice cream.
We share one tender coconut pudding. Thank you. Oh yeah.
Take away?
1, 2, 3. Just these 3. Thank you. Lovely food, huh? Name of the restaurant is correct.
You enjoyed your meal?
We loved it. We said on the video that forget moms is reminding us of our grandmoms. What do you think, Maria, of the food? And what we like is we ordered 4 different things. Vindaloo, tisrio, pulao and dangar cutlet. All 4 were fantastic.
This is actually a second outing.
Oh yeah, which is your
The first one is 17 years ago.
Just then, Mom's Recipes owner Tanushri Nayak Buriye came over to ask us how we enjoy. She told us how she and her husband Amit, who is a hotel management graduate, first opened Mom's Recipes in Verna Industrial Estate 17 years back. That first outlet in Verna is open only for lunch and doesn't have a bar.
We are hardcore Goan, so you
Yes.
better know. You better know.
Please give him my compliments also. So we can see how well they have done that they later opened this huge restaurant in Pilar. And Tanushri kindly gave us a 15% discount also. Pudding time. Thank you so much. Sensible size also. That day was very big. Hey, this is nice and soft, not this one. The tender coconut is actually tender and it's not super sweet.
Yeah.
Feeling happy.
So we just do a very tasty.
Happy feeling comes, no?
Yeah.
Now go enjoy a nice siesta. Yum, yum, yum.
Very tasty. First time I ate. Very.
By the end of our meal, Mom's Recipes is quite full and still people are coming in. The bill also came in a cute box. The food bill is rupees 1353 after 15% discount. Not bad given the huge portions which we'll have for dinner also. It's not for sale. It's for decoration, man. Come on. It's not a shop.
Mama used to buy that for me.
Yeah, we also used to buy, but this is decoration. It's not a shop that we can buy their phantom cigarette.
Hi guys, welcome back after a very fulfilling and lovely lunch. Everything whatever we ordered, the chicken, the vindaloo, the prawn pulao, the tisrio and the cutlet, everything was 10 on 10. I enjoyed everything. Even the dessert was too good. It was coconut. What's that? Coconut?
Tender coconut.
Tender coconut. It was really tasty. The full meal was really tasty and really satisfying. I was very happy today.
Thanks, Jonathan, for telling us about Mom's Recipes. We really had a great time. We're going to have such a beautiful siesta after digesting this fantastic meal. I was very happy to meet the owner, Tanushri. She and her husband, Amit, I must say, are doing a fabulous job. And I want to tell people in Panjim, in Margao, Verna, Vasco, if you want to impress your guests and show them the real hardcore Goan food, you should come here. Tanushri told me that she's a hardcore Goan and we want to give our hardcore 5 stars to Mom's Recipes in Pilar. Wow. That was really fantastic. Thank you very much.